Hey boys, welcome back to a new video, FOMC week. This week, Bitcoin is dumping. Let's go into the charts and make our weekly trading plan. I'm looking at the weekly charts right now, and it is looking a little bit bearish. If you could see how this weekly turned out, we made a new all-time high, took this liquidity, and then boom, dump how much was this? Like 30%. So we made a new all-time high, got taken out, another new all-time high, and we might see drop of 30%. What do you guys think? But I've been just looking at like the older charts as well. Like if we could see this one too, like new all-time high gets taken out and then boom, dump, right? So that was like a 50% drop. This one is like a 50% drop. So it is looking kind of scary, I would say, because 50% drop is a big drop. Gonna be a big drop. We're basically gonna be trading back in this range. So, but we can't call the top. Like it's hard to call the top. We just take it level by level because we are day traders. I think most of the alts right now are pulling back as well, including the stocks. And for the news, we got nothing today. No red folder today. So Tuesday we got building permits, FOMC on Wednesday, and then existing home sales for Thursday, and then we got Jerome Powell on Friday. So we might have a TGIF or another massive, massive drop, right? So gold is consolidating, dollar is still at the lows right now. But I already have a plan. I did charts already today. So let's make a recap first of what happened last week. So last week, I did take a short on Monday, took profits here, and then I did take a long here and I got stopped out. And I didn't take a long here because I wanted the CME gap to be filled. So there was like a CME gap here and some poor lows and single prints. So I didn't take this long and we made a new all-time high. I didn't short also. In hindsight, I should have shorted this. This would have been like a beautiful short. So basically, this one didn't work. Let's just take it out. This one also didn't work. This was like weekend price action. So it got front ran, and then it just moved higher, and then it failed to change market structure. So it dropped down again, and this one didn't really work. So it just crushed, and now we are trading here below. All right, pretty simple plan this week. This is a very key low right now. If we are going to lose like this level, we're probably gonna trade back in this range. So I do have one long, I think. So I do have one long right there. Hold on, let me just find a weekly trades. All right, so these are my setups for this week. On this right here, we have you could say it's not naked anymore because the point of control has been tapped. But I still like this because this is a stacked weekly and daily level. So I think that would still be a key level, to be honest. Plus, we do have a poor low right around there. So if you could see on the Bybit chart, you have like a poor low here on the 30-minute time frame. See, poor low plus stack weekly and daily. Then that would be like your last level of support. On CME, you also have poor lows. Wait, you also have poor low there. And on Bybit, you also have Purlo. So I would say like if Bitcoin, if we were, I mean, it's still bullish. I still think like Bitcoin could still make a new all-time high, another new all-time high maybe in September, and we probably gonna top like on November. But right now it is looking bearish, so I am leaning more into shorts. Like these would be my last long. If this level wouldn't hold, like this level wouldn't hold, we're probably gonna come down lower, right? So we're probably gonna come down lower and get accepted back in this big range right here. So if we don't hold this week, and then we might trade this range next week. All right. So yeah, I do have a short. Hold on, let me show you. I do have a short previous week low, and I think that's the golden pocket, local golden pocket, I think. All right, it might not be the local. Okay, on this high, yeah. Uh, yeah. So basically, we have previous week low, and you get stack levels here, plus point of control. You got weekly, daily open. Hold on, let me check the naked point of controls. To be honest, hold on. Daily naked point of controls. What if we have anything? But yeah, I got a short here monthly. Obviously, if we don't change market structure, we're going probably gonna go lower. But these are my levels, so I would really want this to go higher first, like go here and then short, and then maybe we could long, and then we could just range here until FOMC or Jerome Powell, right? But if this short doesn't work, I'm gonna be probably waiting for previous week low and daily open, weekly open, previous day open, plus that point of control. And we also have daily naked point of control right there. So I'm probably gonna add a short at the previous day equilibrium, and you have a naked point of control right there. So short box, and then this would be a nice short also, previous week high. Plus you got a naked point of control right there. All right, so I kind of like those trades, to be honest. Oh, you also have a naked point of control here, huh? So yeah, pretty simple plan. Leaning more into shorts this week. I do have one long like right here. So if this level won't hold, then we try to trade this level or this range next week. All right. So screenshot the trade setups that I have for this week. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Yep, I'm going to add this to here. Yep. All right. So that is it for this video, boys. I hope you guys had a great weekend. If you do want to trade, do these trades with me. I do have some links down below for Coinflare, Bybit, and Weeks. Coinflare has a $100 sign up bonus, no KYC. So go ahead and check it out. I'm not really sure like how low can this go, because like the golden pocket's like right here. So this might be the first level. Let's actually see if the point of control of this whole so the point of control is on that too. So that might be our first target of if we do get into some shorts. All right. So thank you, boys. Tomorrow I will give you guys some updates on altcoins, and make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.